Hello everyone, Pinder Productions here, and today I am going to be upgrading my PC storage with a 120GB Crucial SSD and a 1TB Western Digital Blue hard drive. So let's get started by installing the SSD. And so now it is time to install Windows on the SSD. I've got my boot drive installed that I created using the Windows website. You can create one of those for free to install Windows onto a computer. So now I'm just going to go through the setup process. English United Kingdom, that's all correct. So next, and install now. And so now I have finished the install of Windows onto my solid state drive. I've also installed AVG Antivirus, Chrome and GeForce Experience for my graphics card onto the solid state drive. So those are the programs that I'm installing on there. Now I just need to insert the hard drive into the computer, reboot it and set that up. So first time booting up the PC with the hard drive and the SSD installed, and it boots so quickly, so much quicker than my old hard drives did. I mean, straight into Windows like that. It literally took a couple of seconds from turning on to being in Windows. So now I need to set up the hard drive as a partition. And now I have partitioned the hard drive, so that is set up and I'm installing programs on there. I did set it up by right clicking on the Windows here and going to Disk Management, and then once that loaded it came up here as black unallocated space, so I just had to create the volume and that was it. It's now set up. So if I go into the File Explorer of this PC, and there we go, WD Blue HDD is the hard drive, and then there is my SSD. And I remapped each of these libraries to go to folders here, and I have also started saving programs to here instead of on the solid state drive to save storage on there, although I did install the graphics drivers Chrome and AVG onto the SSD. So if I do need to remove the hard drive, then the computer still works, just functioning on the solid state drive. Now I will be getting the data off of my old hard drives using this WinStar's SATA hard drive USB docking station. So I will probably do a review of this if that is something people want to see. But that is just to access the data off of my old hard drives and put it on the new hard drive in this computer. So hopefully that will work. And so I can confirm that this Communicator C1 SATA hard drive USB docking station did work for installing the files from my old SATA hard drives that I was using in the computer before, such as this one. Works very well. I will be having a review of this on the channel, so please do subscribe if you want to see that. I will leave links down below if you want to buy the SSD or hard drive that I bought. There will be Amazon affiliate links in the description. I do recommend, if you are struggling with a slow PC, that you upgrade to an SSD, or at least have a look at possibly upgrading to an SSD, because the speed I've gained is phenomenal, to be honest. I didn't expect to gain such speeds from just the SSD, but it is a lot quicker booting up, and the hard drive is just a hard drive, gets you extra storage space, so very useful. So now I can actually play some of the games that I've already got by downloading them on the bigger hard drive. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!